Time to reset this sucker. The global financial system is kaputski. Time to rebuild something better, something less corrupt, perhaps. In fact, this re-architecting of the global financial system is happening right now. As I speak these words, doesn't matter whether you like it or not, it is happening. Why the reset? Well, as former French Prime Minister Dominique de Villepin recently said, the U.S. has used its 3 phenomenal privileges to put the financial stability of the whole world at risk. Quote, like a truck full of dynamite heading right toward us, end quote. Wow, holy frickin' kaboom, Batman. If you want to protect ourselves from the U.S. economy, which, by the way, Dominique de Villepin did not say frickin' kaboom, Batman. If you want to protect ourselves from the economy, which has strapped on a collective suicide vest, we better have solid blast barriers in place. First up is the redistribution of risk. At the moment, the collapsing financial system is one in which risk was separated from reward, then bundled up and sold off to unsuspecting investors around the world. And one of the main pillars of pricing risk is the credit rating agency. As I've said right here on Kaiser Report many times, it's time to re-architect this by starting our own true global credit rating agencies. Oh my God, Stacey Herbert, this is the beginning of the true insurrection.